If you've been watching a lot of my videos here at Black Bear Forge, you've probably looked into this back room and noticed pop cans and beer bottles and things like that stuck in the wall. What the heck is up with that? Well, this room is built based on the Earthship concept that comes out of northern New Mexico. The bottom row, which is earth-bermed, actually made out of tires that have been filled with dirt and heavily compacted. There's probably about 300 pounds of dirt sledgehammered into each and every tire. They're great big giant bricks. The top section is being infilled with adobe and cans. The cans just serve as a filler, so you have to mix less adobe, and it's a little bit lighter as you put it up so that it doesn't slump and sag so easily, and you can go a little bit further in each session than if you weren't using it. They really are not structural when the whole thing is done. Can walls that are structural are usually made with cement mortar instead of the adobe, and they're usually a couple rows thick, so they're a much more substantial thing. Even in that case, I don't think very many of them are load-bearing walls. If you're interested in that, do a web search for Earthships. This is not an instruction on Earthships. But since I was spending the day doing a little bit more of that and trying to get this job finished, hopefully this year, I thought I would take some time and explain what you're looking at.